Hey, it's Mike Grady from Business Field Tools. I'm answering the question of the week. What are the best ways to increase your blog traffic? Well, the answer is simple. Remarketing. See, we spend all of our time driving cold traffic to our blogs, our websites, products, etc. So most people come to our sales funnel and web pages and blogs one time and never return. Check your bounce analytics. You'll see what I mean. Good news is this lead is now changed from a cold lead to a warm lead. This prospect now knows who you are and what you do. With a remarketing pixel, we can identify who they are without being intrusive. And by that I mean we don't have to get an email or anything like that. Now we can place ads in front of these people and we can encourage them to return with topic-specific reminder ads that only they will see. Once these people return, they become hot leads and may subscribe to your blog or your website or enter your sales funnel. Check below for the link to a video I did on how we use remarketing in our business. I hope this helps.